Oh my God.
What's that?
Now, what has that got to do with the Rubik's Cube?
What, is he covered in slime?
I'm gonna solve the Rubik's Cube in the most dangerous way possible. I'm gonna be lit on fire.
No way!
What?
What?
We were going to play along.
I'm not doing that.
And I won't be extinguished until I finish solving that cube.
No!
I can only be on fire for so long, otherwise we enter the danger zone where I run the risk of being burnt.
Do not try this at home.
Of course not.
Ever.
I think you've got issues.
Now.
Oh my God!
I can feel the heat.
Oh my God, you can't you?
Oh my God!
Mental!